Apigee versus OZ API Gateway, best API tool for your business. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Apigee and OZ API Gateway to help you decide which API tool is the best for your business. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Apigee is an enterprise-grade API management platform by Google Cloud, while OZ API Gateway is a serverless API gateway designed for OZ-based applications. Over here, Apigee is best suited for large enterprises needing advanced API lifecycle management, whereas OZ API Gateway is ideal for scalable, cloud-native applications in the OZ ecosystem. After that, let's compare their deployment options. Apigee supports cloud and hybrid deployments, while OZ API Gateway is fully managed within AS. Then, when it comes to authentication, both platforms provide OAuth, JWT, and API key support, but OZ API Gateway integrates seamlessly with OZ EM and Lambda authorizers. Over here, another major difference is API monetization. Apigee offers built-in API monetization features, whereas OZ API Gateway does not support monetization natively. After that, let's talk about performance. Apigee provides advanced caching and a global CDN, while OZ API Gateway is optimized for OZ services and serverless architectures. Then, if you need a full-featured API management platform with analytics, security, and monetization, Apigee is a great choice. But if you are building an OS-based, cost-effective serverless API, then OS API Gateway is the better option. So that's the comparison between Apigee and OS API Gateway. That's all for this video.